Привет, привет, привет! I'm Alina, your Russian teacher. Today we're speaking about computer-related words, the most used ones. Let's start. The first word is very easy. A computer in Russian is компьютер. Computer. It's an international word, so no problem with this one. A laptop is ноутбук. Notebook. Sometimes we also call it laptop, but it's not very common. Any computer and any laptop have a keyboard. Клавиатура. Клавиатура. A computer mouse is мышка. Мышка. In Russian it also comes from the word a mouse, мышь. But мышка is a cute word. Sounds like a little mouse. A desktop. Рабочий стол. Рабочий стол. Literally, it means a table for work. A file. Папка. Папка. It's a funny word, as it sounds like father. Papa. Antivirus. Антивирус. Антивирус. A CD. Disc. Disc. A USB flash drive. Флешка. Флешка. Sounds like flash card. Флешка. A browser. Браузер. Браузер. A user. Пользователь. Пользователь. A password. Пароль. Пароль. If you want to learn more words about computers, ask me in the comments about them. Also, check my Instagram for more daily Russian words. Hope it was useful. Пока-пока!